Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about place value. When we're talking about place value, there's two main points that I want you to keep in mind. One, digits in one place value are 10 times as much as digits in the place value to its right, and they are 1/10 of the place value to its left. The second point is that the place value system represents patterns created by multiplying and dividing by 10. Each place value position is 10 times the one to its right, 1/10 the one to its left, 10 times the place value to the right. If you look at any individual place value, you can see that it is worth 10 times the place value immediately to its right. For instance, our tens place is worth 10 times as much as our ones place, 10 times the place value to the left. Same is true in the opposite direction. There is a relationship with the number 10. If we look at the same place value, our tens, and we look at the place value to its left, hundredth, we can see that 10 is 1/10 100, and that every place value has the same relationship. It is it is 10 times the place value to the right, and it is 1/10 the place value to its left. Please keep in mind that divided by 10 equals the same thing as 1/10 of. You're going to hear it both ways. So remember, divided by 10, 1/10 is the same thing when we are talking about place value. You'll hear people use words like powers of 10. This pattern of multiplying and dividing by 10 is because our place value system is based on powers of 10. Here's another way of looking at that. You can see 10, that's the purple number, with its power, with its red number up in the corner. And that equals a certain number of tens multiplied by 10. For instance, 10 to the first power is 10. 10 to the second power will equal 100. The way that you can write that in green is 10 times 10. You can see as we go further down our place values, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, we're multiplying by more and more tens. When we're working with place value, it's important to think about digits and numerals. Digits represent a whole number. Numerals are strings of digits that represent larger numbers. Digits given place value create numerals. So the thing to keep in mind here is that digits are like letters and numerals are like words. We can combine digits in different orders. Different numerals have different values. When we look at expanded form, that's a little bit clearer. The number 7,294, written in its expanded form, shows us that 7 thousands gives us 7,000, plus 2 hundreds, giving us 200, plus 9 tens, 90, and 4 ones, 4. The numerals 7, 2, 9, and 4 are given different place values to create different numerals. If we look at our place value chart, this is even more clear. We look at the number 12, 2 ones, and 1 10. We can see that there are 2 ones represented in the ones chart and 1 10, combining those digits, the numeral 12. Same thing when we look at 35. Digit 3 and the digit 5 have different values in their place value. Let's use our base 10 blocks to look at the times 10. And I start with a 10 and I split it up 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pieces. So just one of those, if we split it into tenths, 1/10 of 10 will equal the same as 1. And if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones, so 1 times 10, I go back to having a 10. But that's a nice visual way to see the relationship of times 10 and divided by 10. Each place value is worth 10 times the one to its left and 1/10 the one to its right.